Happy New Year, everybody. 2024 was a great one for us. We welcomed the arrival of a new grandbaby, Lily. I published my first novel. The kids have been doing really well. Career's been doing really well. And I'm super excited for 2025. We are expecting another grandbaby. And I have two nephews and one of our kids graduating from high school. Got another one graduating from college. And looking forward to lots more great times and laughs. Thank you to everybody who engaged with us socially or professionally, and look forward to much more to come. Much love and respect for 2025 for all of you. And here are a few of the laughs and good times as we're wrapping up one year and heading to the next. Bonjour, gakena, we are Jinx.
Bonjour.
Oh, so you want bathroom time to be playtime?
Yeah, because then I get free time and no one can watch me. And I can
Kenny, I can watch you through the crack.
Yeah, watches me through the booty crack.
How am I only getting okay?
Press both of them at the same time.
Yeah, you grab him and do like a little toss thing. Oh, he blocked.
I cannot dispute you.
Happy New Year.